Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about ChatGPT Atlas for mobile. In order to do so, here we are at chatgpt.com/Atlas. And as far as ChatGPT Atlas for mobile, at this time, ChatGPT Atlas is only available for Mac OS. So if you are interested in getting that for mobile, for the time being, it is in fact only available for Mac OS. And if you are a Mac OS user and you want to take advantage of it, head over to chatgpt.com/Atlas and you can download that for Mac OS. Let's take a look at the pricing. We've got the free version, and then from there we scale up to Plus for $20 a month, and then Pro for $200 a month. So depending on what your needs are, we have a few options for you to take advantage of it. But again, at this time, only available for Mac OS. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out and we'd appreciate it. Check out our Discord. We'd love to have you there. We're building a community around AI animation. We've got some free resource to get you started and a $30 WAP course, how to make an AI music video. We take you through our process, show you how to make your own AI music video masterpieces. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the description, you can get $50 to open up an account, and then you can refer your friends and family, get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. I personally vouch for it. It comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.